Well, here we have a 5 terabyte Seagate, and this one comes with the little things. Comes with a rescue of data. Comes from $50 in Milo. I don't know what it is, but it only that lasts 1 year. So who is a fuck? It also comes from a Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan, but only 4 months, and it is for Photoshop and Lightroom, I think so, but only 4 months, no use for that. Okay, more info, no info here, the brand. Okay, here comes some things, and it says it's compatible for Windows and Mac. I will hope so. I will hope so. Less than Windows 7, I think in Vista it will work, but I'm not sure about that. It will work in Linux. It's not listed here, but it stands to reason. Also, does it say? Yeah, it does. It says it is 3.0, so not the best because we have the 3.2 already. So yeah. Also, what else? What does it say here? Well, I'll read it in Spanish. Little size, great space, Windows Max. So nothing else. Okay. Okay, let's open the thing. Okay. Okay. We can get this out. Slide it out. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing. Let's leave it here and let's see the paper. So click start. You put the thing in and it goes. Thank you very much. Okay. This is nothing. This is the Adobe Creative thing that we talked about for months. Who is a fuck? Milo, the same. Nobody cares. And this is the recovery plan. Okay, this is important. Yes, this could be useful. But since here it is. The warranty, it says 2 years and 3 years. 2 years everywhere, unless it's China or Oceania, where it's 3 years. Okay, so if you're Chinese, 3 years. So I'm guessing the rescue it's only 3 years too, or 2 years because I live in Europe. So to me, 2 years. Okay. I'm guessing. I don't really know. Let's see. English. No English. Nope. Okay, let's read in Portuguese. Nah, it just says what it is. It doesn't really say much. Doesn't really say it's about these years. No, but we can assume it's only during the warranty time. So open this thing. Okay, it's heavy, yeah, but it feels kind of nice. Let's open it. Oh yeah, this is aluminum, I think. Feels nice. This is for the light. Okay, connector. Yes. There's some things here. Okay, so it's heavy. It's 5 terabytes. Let's remember that. It feels heavy, not much, but it feels good. And the end here is aluminum or aluminum-like, so should be good. Now let's see the cable. Okay, pretty standard. So yeah, blue 3.0. This will go here, and this to the computer. Yeah, not much there. Okay, so I think this pretty good value here. I already connected it, so I know it works, and And yeah, I'll say overall pretty good. Okay, so that wraps it up. See you next time.